Hi friends, welcome to Kidz Vidz. My name is Garv and look, I got my new Apple AirPods. And when I said got, I did not buy them. I made my own Apple AirPods. And that's exactly what we're going to make in this YouTube video. So, the materials you'll need is a white piece of paper, 2 Q-tips, a silver marker and a black marker, a glue stick, some scissors, some tape, and some hot glue. Hot glue is optional, but if you have it, I highly recommend you should use it. So, let's get started. So, step 1 is to take both of the Q-tips, put them on top of each other like this. Next, you're going to take the scissors and you're going to cut both of these two in half. So now that we've cut it into half, okay, next you're going to take your tape and you're going to stick it on like this. Okay, so now that I've taped that, you're going to take this and don't let the cotton part be on the paper. You have to let it be outside the paper. And then you're going to take one of these markers and you're going to mark it. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut about this much off, like that. Next, we're going to take this paper and we're going to wrap it around . Next, you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to stick these two together. And next, you're going to take these cotton parts and you're going to bend it a little bit. So now that we're done bending this down, see these 2 Q-tips? We don't want them to look like 2 spare ones. We just want them to look like 1 earbud. So we're going to just try and use our fingers to combine them to look like 1 earbud. So now that I've combined them, we're going to take our markers and we're going to decorate it. So I'm going to take the silver marker and we're going to go all the way down this part and we're just going to draw a little outline. Okay, so now that I've put the outline, we're going to draw the apple. This apple is optional, but I like drawing it so it'll add more decorations. So now after we've drew the Apple logo, we're going to take the black marker and we're going to draw a small dot at the top. Now our AirPods are pretty much ready. But as an optional step, we're going to take the hot glue and add it at the end of the paper roll. And the reason why we're adding hot glue is to make the paper look more cylindrical. And also, make sure you're doing this under a parent's supervision. So now that we've added hot glue, we're going to take our silver marker again and we're going to color the hot glue. So now that you've colored the hot glue, I'll wear it and show it to you. So this is how my AirPod looks like. And also, you can use the 2 remainder Q-tips to make your second AirPod like this. Now that I've got AirPods for both of my ears. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link over here. Bye!